digging for asparagus roots. This plant asparagus is called the queen of the herbs. It is not asparagus. So, oh, it is inside of the bush. Asparagus is a climber.
ಯಾಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿಗಾರರ ಈಗ ಆಗುತ್ತಿತ್ತು
అది ఆన్లో పెట్టు నువ్వు ఆన్లో పెట్టు నువ్వు
Trying to clear the surroundings of the plant and digging for storage roots of asparagus. Oh, very depth inside the roots. Soil is very fertile soil. Oh, it is very small herb, so it has only few
ఓకే
roots,
దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో శతావరి
few edible
Shatavari.
roots. Oh, very beautiful.
ఓకే ఫోటో పెడతా
It is very powerful
ಅದೇ
medicine,
నువ్వు అనే
వీటి మాత్రం
ಮತ್ತೆ
medicinal plant.
ಅದನ್ನ
Regulate the
ಹಾಂ
all